Makwaba Advice Stevens Farms. Channel is young people started snails farming and fish farming in your backyard. If you're not person starting snails farming business, another fish farming business, but you don't know where to start, let's also subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell for any update on how to start your own business on your backyard. In the video, you have 5 simple steps you need to know before to start snails farming business. So number 1, choose the right snail species. As I started snail farming, the type of snails are and yes, snails be an SSA. You have a lot of snails, you want to be but in winning now opesa way. Yes, number 1, Achatina. Achatina. And then people and I say, people be bring now a friend say and wapa. Yes, any a friend say and wapa. Number 2, Achatina pulica. We know a ketwa, but people say Africa hano yen sheda empe. And then your friend say Catrevin. But as Africa hano yen sheda the empe. And number 3, Achatina marginata. Yaka Achatina marginata. And then your friend Otapra say, your friend Otapran. Yes. So and why we are profitable as a way and also enche na like enche na enyi tentem. And now I am not ska won't be brave. I won't turn pan. Is that and 1 minute I will meet my recommendation myself. So person started snail farming. We use they started with snail farming business. Now step 2. Build your snails houses. Before I say whom our person we are and so build these snails houses. You can snails house na as it just then. If you are I did a person day and 1 boom a yen. I did a person day and 1 you will be CBA concrete pen or with my concrete pen I do 1 boom. And as you are your wooden pens. Wooden pens of a bone be a baby bubble and table it to be a vitamin and 1 item a boom. And as you work with my use car task or metal tanks. You can use car task or metal tanks to start for those who want to start as small size. If you are 5, 3, and if you are 10, now person start, but you need will be a concrete pen. And I say wooden pens, which may use car task or metal tanks. Now they are started. Say if you are person who use concrete pens, wooden pens, and that's a metal tank or car task. As a car with net. If you are net, you are waiting that car task. I'm watching pens now abunu. And as a man who are losing team pin bunting. A lot of people are using going to be the if you are looking sheet and I said be a catastrophe. I don't know and what didn't mean people or she waging bones and china and 1 year. Step 3, feeding your snails. What's the one what you use snail pen and then what you use snails, what you use snail pens. Now what catastrophe be here? I said who feed you. You never in snails only dear. You can feed your snails vegetables and you can feed them. You have pawpaw leaf, cabbage, water leaf, carrot, or groundnut cake. And what the aduani beer, but make sure that you are not the man and changing. Yes, because snails want you there and change and answer. Step 4, maintain the right environment. The right environment here. Still using concrete pens, wooden pens, or metal tank. You need to spray small amount of water on them, maybe twice a day or once a day. Step 5, breeding and expansion. When you say breeding and expansion, say if you have to make snails no by not 1 year. Most of our shots are to Busia. And so we in Kushani pens in now what call it 3 to 5 weeks. You see the eggs are start hatching. Once in Kushana shall say the air pipe. We call it baby snails. Yes, we call it baby snails. Once in Kushana shall say air pipe. That's it for today's videos. I know you have already know how to start your own snails farming from scratch. Remember, start small. Learn the process and grow your farm gradually. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notification bell because on my next video, I will show you how to start fish farming with low cost tapori pond. Thank you for watching.